International Fashion Week began with a desire to put Chennai onto the fashion map of India and the world. One step towards that happened last year in December 2009 at the debut of the Fashion Week. Now, if that was a successful run, then this year the show has become bigger and better. More designers, more elements, and several new editions made up Season 2 of the Chennai International Fashion Week. This 1 hour special will take a look at what made Season 2 a memorable experience for the city of Chennai. According to me, it's a unique ramp to retail concept and also the fact that Chennai has become a hotspot. Not only HOT, but HAUTE. Why Season 3 is much anticipated, and finally, why fashion is an inevitable part of our life. So join me, Dipti Kumar, as we walk down the ramp of Geetanjali's Chennai International Fashion Week. Well-known fashion pit stops in India have been Delhi and Mumbai. But over the last 4 to 5 years, fashion consciousness has also increased in more traditional cities like Chennai, Kolkata and Jaipur. CIFW in Chennai is Gaurav Sharma's brainchild. Gaurav believes that it's time to do both an international and national exchange of creative looks, styles and designs.
The event we created last December, Chennai International Fashion Week, has created recognition and admiration for Chennai as a destination that the affluent community over here, as well as the fashion traders and the fashion boutique owners, are willing to associate with all the new trends and the haute couture as well as Breadline forecasts that is happening at a national platform level or a global level with as much enthusiasm as their counterparts in the so-called more evolved markets.
5 days, 35 designers, including 4 international names, have come together for the Geetanjali Chennai International Fashion Week. Presenting the Fall-Winter collection of 2010, this is a show not just for trends, but for setting the trend.
As the last-minute preparations were being completed for the beginning of the CIFW Season 2, backstage and ready to kickstart this year's Fashion Week was Rihanna, who showed us why she's the lady who paints the runaway red, quite literally. And all because this designer is a self-confessed Chennai Punne. Having contributed to the fashion scene in the city and winner of the Indian Designer of the Year 1996, Rihanna has continued to maintain a niche for herself, locally and globally. Her modern twist with Indian fabrics has won her accolades and even the Women's Award for her contribution to this field. Day 1 of the Chennai International Fashion Week right here at the Royal Le Méridien. I'm talking to designer Rihanna, who is going to be opening the show. So Rihanna, how does it feel opening Chennai International Fashion Week?
It's an absolute honor to do it. I'm so happy that they chose me. Of course, everyone said, how could you open the show? Why aren't you showing the night of the first day or the grand finale? But I'm not, basically I thought why not pitch in when they needed me to do the opening, because generally the openings are like everyone's still finding their feet, and I know it will be a full house and it'll go beautifully, and I have the experience behind me, so I thought why not.
Bringing global influences into her collection Anatolia, This designer has taken Turkish and Moroccan flavors and infused it into a garment that's one of a kind. Inspired by dresses and silhouettes, the delicate fabrics fitted snug on our models, who were cautiously reminded not to sit down or bend or do anything that could damage the clothes. So looking at some of Rihanna's collection, even before it's on stage, I've got two models here who are very busy on a mobile, but hey girls. Hi. How does it feel for you to be wearing Rihanna's collection?
I think it's very young, very funky. The clothes are a lot of fun, and I guess that's what we'll do on ramp.
And how does it feel to be right here in the Chennai International Fashion Week and to be on the first show, first day?
It feels good, and it's fun. We're just waiting for it to start, and yeah, get it on, like with full energy and blast, and yeah.
Are you all nervous just before the show?
Not really. Not really, a little bit maybe, because it's the first show, so it has to be good. But otherwise, it's fun.
Time to see the first day, first show of the CIFW, presenting Anatolia by Rihanna.
A stunning display of turquoise, hot pinks with embellishments on the dresses was a solid statement to begin the week. And to witness the display of each designer were fellow designers, registered buyers, press, and members of the fashion industry. CIFW has been a platform to showcase upcoming designers from around the country. It has also opened doors for international brands that might otherwise miss the Indian market.
I think India is a very, very big market, and anywhere in the world where I've started selling or where I've sold and done my exhibition, there has been a response of all the NRIs saying they come to me and they see my collection and they buy. But I have a lot of people who are non-Indians and they love to wear a sari or my main forte is bridal. Okay, it's since a year that I've ventured into menswear. And I think India is a much bigger market than anywhere else. So I've just stopped traveling, and I'm not going to travel anymore. I'm going to be in India in all the metro cities of India.
It's our second season with the Chennai Fashion Week, and we've been selling in Chennai for almost the last 4-5 years now. We had a little, we kept trying out different things, and Indian wear was one thing that we very quietly had tried in Chennai, and the response that we got for the saris was actually the best compared to whatever we had done. So it was the obvious choice to come back and do a show and launch our Indian wear here more properly.
Lakshmi Jagmohan is one of the 4 South Indian designers at the Chennai International Fashion Week. She comes from Bengaluru, a city known for its cosmopolitanism and style. And her southern bend has given her a jumpstart to retail her clothes better to a familiar market. The ramp to retail concept actually means that whatever you see on the ramp, you can actually buy. So what do you have to say about that? Do you like the concept?
I actually love the concept. What happens is, especially for people like us, we are still on the emerging front. It's one of the best things to happen here is because we are showcasing our dresses at the ramp, and we know that these are the things that actually are wearable. So imagine this going into a store, people see what they have seen on the ramp, they try it on themselves. And yes, when you wear them, you're going to look one of those, the beautiful people that you thought only the ramp models can carry off. But it's all meant for you. And as I said, the exposure that we need really happens because only the retail market gets people in every day. So once the people come and look, consumers and clients, for them it becomes easier for them to relate. Okay, you have been at the show and these are the clothes that has come from there.
Speaking of retailing, how does one differentiate between a label and a brand? So do you have the answer for that, Jyoti?
Yes, I do. Label, as I said, my label. Yeah. Very soon, you're gonna see my label as a brand. Yeah. Brand is something which you look forward for. It's not. It. See, basically, when it becomes a brand, it won't be easy for every Tom, Dick and Harry to buy it. Yeah. But my brand, I'm going to put it in such a way that it's feasible to everyone, fair to everyone, equal.
A lot of young designers, much like Jyoti too, have made a silent entry into the market with tertiary brands. Something like testing the waters, you'd say.
For me, it always makes sense to come out silently. For anybody, I think it should be the best option. For me, it was more of test marketing, is what I have been doing in the past for my knowledge, because I'm an immature in the field and I didn't want to directly with a bang, So here I've tried my product. It worked well. It's got a great response in the past. So I thought let's get into a label. So Be Kind is now a label, which will be a slightly higher end label for the fashion week. So we have like two labels, one which is a commercial line, and this is it's ranged between 1,500 to around 5,000 rupees.
You could easily spot the buyers who linger on after the show to take in the flavors of the collection and subtly select what trends you and me will soon sport. So whether it's Rashita's Delhi trends or laser cuts by Rinku Sopti, the latest fashion trends always take shape at fashion weeks such as this. This year, Kimaya Avenue at Nungambakkam played host to the 35 designers collection and allowed them the rare opportunity to display their garments. As Gaurav Sharma puts it, Chennai is emerging as a fashion destination, and the city is being watched by big players in this segment.
When you design for a lady who you always admire, Revati was like my awe when I was a kid. When I saw her first movie, Love, I just thought, what a wonderful smile. And when she walked, I can't believe that. She walked and she has just started her bridal wear from the woman whom, I have no word, I can't explain. I think Gunjan is better to explain that.
Also because, men perceive the way they would like to look at the women. So, even traditionally, if you see the husbands have always bought the saris for their wives when they're traveling, because that's how they want to see the women in their lives, of, whether it's the wife or the mother or sister. So it's actually not such a struggle to design for women.
At the end of the first 2 days, many trends did emerge. Here's my pick of the top 5.
Trend 1. Bright red lips. Now if red isn't your color, black might be. Trend 2. Laser cuts and recycled clothes are a statement. Trend 3. Saris and blouses with no backs. Trend 4. Mix gold jewelry with everything but gold. Trend 5. Peacocks are the fashion birds.
The CIFW definitely set the bar high for dedicating a day to the men. Yes, an entire day of eye candy, masculine styles and a lot of ogling is what day 3 of the CIFW had in store. But that's just after this break.